Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to see YouTube Wrapped using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for this one. Okay, so video recap that view odyssey odyssey.com. So now what I need to do is to just go ahead and click on this. It's my first time, guide me through the process. So click that. So let me just go ahead and click on launch website. So here you just need to click on the multiple formats. You want to click here at the right side of history and you want to choose JSON. Click on OK. Here in all YouTube data included, you want to just go ahead and select this and click on history. Okay, now click on OK. So after you've done that, just go ahead and click on next step. So here you can just go ahead and change this if you want to, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. So click on create export. And then after that, just go ahead and open your Gmail. So now you should see this kind of email. So click on download your files. So let me just go ahead and sign in my account. So here, click on download. So after that, just go ahead and go back on here. So let me just go ahead and erase the upload word. Click on I already have my data. Let me upload it. So click on upload watch history. Click on the zip file. Click on OK, so you don't need to extract any files on the zip file. So after that, you just need to wait. For some reason, mine is taking a while before I can see my YouTube Wrapped. So after this video recap, you should see your YouTube Wrapped, okay? So it will, you can view it like a slide, so it will come up with few pages, okay? So you can just go ahead and view it after this video recap, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.